Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to connect AI providers and models to our account. For this, we need to go to your connected AI section. Click to your connected AIs. As you see, we already have one. It is automatically added when you are registering in ainisa.com. To add the new one, click to Add AI button. Select the provider, for example, OpenAI, Anthropic, DeepSeek. As we have OpenAI already, we need to select other two ones. Let's say Anthropic. Your organization ID, which you may not fill, and your API key, which you have to fill. To get your API key, you need to log in or register in console.anthropic.com. Go to API key section. Create new secret key. We advise to create new secret key. Don't use existing keys. It's better to create a new one. Copy generated API token and paste the token here. After you paste it, just click save. After you save it, you will see your AI provider here. After you added it, you can go to view models section and you will see the models which you added to our platform for yourself, for your agents. To add new model, you need to create a new model. Add AI model. You will need to select a model from the list. All of them are related to OpenAI. Let's say we want to use GPT-5.1, for example, and give a model name. You can keep it as it is, or you can say it GPT-5.1 my model, for example, and click to save button. After you save it, you will see your models here. To rename the viewer name of the model, just click to edit button. Change the name, and also you can change the maximum output token. Usually this is 4096 tokens. And then click to save button. If you want to disable model, just select inactive and click save button. That's all. Later, if you want your agent to use that model to answer questions, go to your assistants, edit assistant, and select default model from here. That's all. See you in the next videos.